artist Kamala Abdykadyrova. Welcome to Felted Snood, Silk, Shine and Texture.
For me, felt is much more than a technique. Felting has been part of my life for many years. I come from Kyrgyzstan, a country where felt is not only a craft, but part of our culture and everyday life. In this course, I will show you how to create a felted snood. It is soft, warm, comfortable, and expressive. Before we begin, let me show you the finished snood. Look at the density of the felt. It holds its shape, but at the same time, it is soft, flexible, and very pleasant to touch. This is what I love about good felt. It can be strong and stable, but it can also remain warm, elastic, and alive in the hands. In this design, all the decoration follows a vertical rhythm. My goal was to create a rich surface texture. I used many different materials. First, shiny fabrics with sequins, lurex, metallic threads, and other sparkling elements. I love using them in felt. Inside the wool, they change completely. They become softer, more refined. Sometimes they remind me of gold embroidery or old brocade fabric. But you do not have to use the same materials. You can choose your own fabrics. The reverse side is also beautiful. You can make it in soft colors or in strong contrasting colors, so the snood can look interesting from both sides. On the basis of this course, you can create many different models. The shape is simple, but the surface can change endlessly. This is a very good project for a beginner felt maker. The construction is simple enough to follow, but the surface gives you a lot of freedom. You can play with texture, with color, with shine, with soft three-dimensional details. And in the end, you create not just an exercise, you create a real artistic piece, a warm, tactile, beautiful snood, something you can wear with pleasure. Now let us begin the work. First, we will look at the materials and tools.